Just been modernized. Locked up until 29. Oh my god, the indicator doesn't even work. Oh, never mind. I'm so dumb. This is an express zone. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Oh. Used to be Otis. But Schindler got their hands on it. Even though the cab is beautiful, I gotta say, I kind of prefer the last mod. The indicator's not so bad. It kind of brings back memories to the old Otis indicators when they were almost like this, except they're much older. Yeah, this is an express zone. My bad. Well, these are some mad fixtures. This one's alright.